Hi, I'm looking to upgrade my living room. I'm sharing a photo of the current space along with the floor plan for better understanding.
Sure, I can help with that. What kind of upgrades are you planning?
I want a more open layout and a modern feel. We'll need to rework the seating layout and maybe remove one partition wall.
Got it. We'll plan for layout redesign and wall work.
I also want a clean TV feature wall with storage. And lighting is important. Warm lighting, maybe ceiling lights, and some hidden strips.
Perfect. That'll really enhance the space. What kind of finishes are you thinking?
Neutral colors, white, beige, and some wood textures. Also, maybe space for minimal decor, nothing too heavy.
Do you have a timeline or budget range in mind?
I'd like to get this done in about a month and keep it within a reasonable budget.
Let me share a detailed estimate based on everything we discussed.